I'm trying out a few new models. I'm trying out uh, t- Tot- Toto. Trying out Toto, a time series forecasting model from Datadog, and I'm trying out Claude. Everyone knows about Claude. So it just generated me this benchmark and gave me some comparison information. It's not the right benchmark though, because it's got some dummy information in here. I've already got a test for Kronos. I think it might be that file. I'm running a stock forecasting algorithm. It's open source, and yeah, I've just been having some great success with Amazon Kronos. I don't know if this is what I should really check what the AI generated code is and what's not. It's weird that there's changes in here too. Oh no, there's not. It's just some. I've got this. That's weird. I wonder which one it's trying to upload this old tiny model. Should be the large one. I've also got this. Yeah, this is my stock. I'll try to put it in here and see. First, I'll just test it and see if it's more accurate, and then I'll try and test it and see if it's actually makes me more money when I layer on my own kind of naive algorithm that goes over a few different strategies, sees if the return is working, and then if so, it trades on multiple days, and then it, get some information about if it's actually working from that. Yeah, so this is all open source. So I think this is where we load Kronos. This is like the real code here, so we should use that. Should use something like quite similar to go over to fake benchmarking project. And I'm just trying try this new sonnet, see if it fixes it. I think this Toto only comes in one size. I think it's about 150 meg. Yeah, I don't really care what this code does as long as it's like a good representation of yeah, I don't think I said that. Yes, I did. That's weird. I'm pretty sure I'm using Kronos Bolt. Am I not using Bolt Kronos? Yes. Kronos Bolt base, yeah. Ah. base grass pipeline. That's potentially a bit of a serious issue there if I've been using like an old model here. Yeah, so I did test it and it's better. Like I know Chronos Bolt is better than yeah, it's better than the Chronos. It's like really fast as well in comparison for how it's like a little bit better, but it's a lot faster, which means you can do a lot more back testing. So I think this is all made up, but what it's based on is oh, this looks like, what is it? Oh, it should probably be more like this run comparison, but here, oh no, that's other AI generated code. Sometimes Claude does get ahead of me a bit and then manages to just code a lot of stuff, which is yeah, you just have to keep up really. Or obviously use Git and use a lot of different ways to keep yourself on track. I can't even remember what this repo, what I did in this repo. Here we go. This looks more like what no, that's just a notebook. I did have a benchmark of models I used to run in here. I guess we can use AI to benchmark them both and see how it does it. In comparison, it's already running it here. So that's like saying it's way better, but this is crazy, all this over the top stuff here. Like it's I'm probably gonna add a sister prompt telling it to like turn it back with all the emojis and the being overly confident. Like if you actually read the code. We've got this run quick comparison. What's it actually doing? So we actually want like a validation accuracy type test where you get some real world data and then you see how well each actually predicts that data. So like, what is this even doing? You know, it's like, where's the and like what real world data? I think there was an example of like a some error flight data. I don't have like, honestly not much recollection of this code base here. So it's got Kronos and Toto. Some synthetic time series generation stuff. Looks like the stuff I've been copying and pasting from various places. Yeah, we could pull a data set from Hugging Face or something. It doesn't need to be tested over much data. Like, you'd be surprised how accurate evals are. We even know that with a little bit of data. Yeah, it's downloading a data set. It's pretty cool. And we should like make some. We should do some graphing as well. And round shift, Potato and Kronos. Trying to spot for better reliability. So, yeah, well, just getting the texture of what it looks like, really. Like, it's not really. I wouldn't trust it yet. What's it done? Yeah. Real world comparison. We do have some sample data. That's cool. How's it going to run it? I can run it. No idea what these nums. 100%. So, success rate 100%. It's obviously not right. Surprisingly, I'm not sure if that's accurate either, but they're about the same size, I think, the models. But it's cool that we've got a speed improvement. So does that mean average error and something? I forget what. Something squared error. Something mean squared error. Mean squared. square deviation. Doing some kind of vibe science. See, I think you could like get AI models to kind of automatically benchmark the latest models. Like pull down the latest transformer from Hugging Face and then try them and see if it can get better. Like, I think you actually do a better job of recursive self-improvement by just kind of watching what the open source world is doing and then having agents to kind of pull together like what are all the state-of-the-art strategies. Like that's kind of like what Brian Johnson is doing for Halve. He's just going through the research and then finding all the best things to do for his Halve. Like you don't need to have an agent that optimizes its way through the code, because there's so vastly many people doing that. It's best to just be able to get good at like globally optimizing and pulling in research from the open source community. Not that this has gone particularly smoothly, but yeah. Let's see. It's a bit better if it can just put it on a graph. It's not really showing the ground truth here. It's interesting, like you can be better on average, but you can get like the win rate can be still really skewed. And my algorithm currently is just like following the direction. It's not, it needs to do better at like exploiting the fact that these algorithms are getting really a lot better at predicting well on average. We shouldn't use the is it going up or going down forecast. It's like not using enough of the signal in these models. Like I think ideally there'll be end-to-end really like kind of better lesson that will be like some kind of a GRPO style optimizer. Back to RL, like we really are needing to do like whole portfolio optimization. So I'm going to look into training a model to also do like the position sizing and the yeah, not the entire thing, trade timing, not just right now it's just using these forecasting models. And then some kind of heuristic algorithms on top of them, but best way tends to be end-to-end learning, really. There's a lot of code here I need to fix up now, so I'll just keep asking Claude to do it, I think. Yeah. See ya.